I bought some pigs. Three little feeders. These came from an auction, a local livestock auction. So they're a lot more skittish than last year's. They should be ready in January or February. Have to figure that out again. And I have 2 sold ready for them, so that's why there's 3. Mom threw a little bit of slop in there. They just found that. This cover crop that I'd thrown in here, doing pretty nice. Kind of glad it isn't real much taller because they're kind of small yet. 1 female and 2 males. Perfect. I didn't get their pen bedded yet, so I need to get a straw bale and throw that in there, and then they have something to root around in there and nest, make a nest in there for them. Then also tomorrow I need to call a feed mill to get some feed brought. I need to go clean up an area to put said feed. I also brought some railroad ties. I don't remember what we got them for. Big girl. And from the other pigs, if nothing would have been moved, everything would have been in tight. There wouldn't have been any pigs burrowing under. So far they didn't figure out how to burrow under stuff yet. But I'm gonna put this right at the edges until grass kind of grows up and locks into that wire, and they push up against the wire and it doesn't move. I got 3 of them and the one split in half because it's rotten, so that'll be perfect. So I have about 3 and 2 halves, so that'll work great for what I need. If you can see here, here's the bottom of the hog panel, and there's the bottom of the railroad tie. There's like 3 inches of a gap there that they'd be able to pull right through. We've been extremely busy, and I'd lost the GoPro, unfortunately. We made the second half of first cutting hay. Now we got mostly the hay that's not on the home farms laying right now. But I need to get this granary cleaned out, so that way I can get a truck come in, poke a hole, not hole, but go in through there and dump grain right in one of these bays. Once I can get to the door and open it up properly. Hopefully there's no cats with kittens in here. They'll get all dusty, and I'll be in and out of here only twice a day, once or twice a day at least. All right. Okay, so I could go there or there. Either one I need to clean up. And this was a chicken pen. Either one I need to clean up and put slots, put boards in the slots here. That way, you know, maybe this high, because I want to get 1 ton of feed, of bulk feed, because it's like, what did I figure out? I think it's $3.22 a ton for bulk feed, but it's like $4.12 a ton for bags of feed, which is $20.60 per 100 pounds. Now the bags might be a little bit nicer, but if I have to buy, that's like $90, saving $90 by cleaning this up, spending an hour and a half on this. That's more money saved than I make at my job. More than money is saved than I make at my job in a day. So yeah, it's worth my time to clean this up. We got a lawnmower here that Adrian's working on for the fab shop. Customer brought it, or we actually went and picked it up, but anyway. And the gear, the steering gear that connects to these 2 arms, both sides, is stripped out just from use. And this thing has quite a bit of hours. Kind of impressed. I don't have the key. I don't remember what the hours are, but it's pretty nice and high for a lawnmower. That, well, the person uses it as a little tractor. yeah, that's beside the point. There are quite a bit of bugs in this caked. I'm not sure what this is. Chicken manure, old feed, whatever. It's pretty dusty. I'd say that looks pretty good. I just need to take some of them planks and stack it in here. Keep the feed right here. I mean, if it overflows a little bit, it'll be all right, I think. I think we could get a whole grinder mixer load of feed in there. So I'm only gonna get 1 ton. Shut that. Perfect. That's good enough for now. This pasture looks pretty nice. Cattle ate it down pretty good, and then Dad went and mowed it the other day, so it looks nice. They just have fresh pasture, so they don't need any more. The cattle at home just had fresh pasture, so they don't need any more. The cow with the calf, that one, we should put her out on pasture somewhere, which we would like to, but probably not tonight. Dad's at a church meeting, and I'm working on pig stuff. Oh my word. This area is full of equipment. I guess I'll address why there's so much equipment sitting around. We got the planter here, got the 6495 and the disc there, bin wagons, disc, other bin wagon, then of course the hay equipment and stuff that we keep here inside. But that's all extra equipment that's normally not here, and unfortunately the big yard, as we always called it, got sold. We were just renting that, so we're gonna have to build a shed here sometime. The partnership is talking about building a shop over where Laverne lives, and then we'll probably build an equipment shed in here for very similar size to what was down there, just a pole shed, open fronted, for the equipment here. So probably be quite a bit of construction coming up in the next 2 years. While we're here at the Criswell farm, these cattle need bedded, so we might as well bed them right away. There, that's how I like to bed them. They'll go in there and they'll find that, and they'll root around for a while, get it all spread out nice how they want and burrow everything how they want. They'll love that. Yesterday I also got this dirt bike for like 500 bucks. I'm pretty happy with it. Needs front brake caliper, which what I'm doing now, I don't really need front brakes. It's missing some plastics, and handlebars bent and broke up a little bit. So I'm talking with somebody to get the used one of these, a brake caliper and some plastics. Also need a new tire, but we'll run it for a little bit yet till that either goes completely flat or I buy another one. We'll see. I'm gonna put this fella on. We're gonna go have some fun. Cold beans. Well, I think this is going to be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.